So, hi guys, it is day Monday and it is time for me to head back to Georgia. Let me tell you something.
Here comes a rude boy Jamaican.
It was so frigid cold. Oh my god. My cold like ice. I couldn't get anything much done. I never even vlog much because me no want to. Lord, I can't even tell you how cold I was. Jesus. Right now we're heading to New Jersey actually. So we stop at the rest stop to grab some coffee and stuff like that. I'm eating at the car. I'm not out the door. I all the bladder, everything I hold because me now go outside and I know damn cold. Okay, as you can see guys, I am bundled up, like bundled up. It is Monday and the time I think is about 12:30 p.m. and I'm just like so cold. Even in the car, I'm looking outside, I just feel cold. But yeah, I'll be heading back to Georgia, so I'm gonna reach back to Georgia until tomorrow sometime, because we're gonna stop in New Jersey for a few. And so that should be interesting. That stop should be interesting. I'm tired. I miss my house. I miss my bed. I miss my dog. I miss my daughters. I miss my store. And I miss my kitchen. And I miss being around my customers when they come in at my store. That's what I miss. So I'm just looking forward to a trip back to Atlanta and just to chillax. Husband is coming in the vehicle. So yeah, outside is frigid cold. I'm gonna go out there. My old bladder get old. Right, baby. So we are back on the highway.
It is like a bunch of roses. If I ever tell you about Maxine, you older say I don't know what I know, but murder she wrote. Murder she wrote. Murder she wrote.
Okay, so I'm in somewhere in Virginia, between Virginia and North Carolina, and I could tell you guys, I am exhausted and I cannot wait to get back to Atlanta. Trust me, I'm gonna tell you that. I cannot wait to get back to Atlanta. I'm a mess, my hair is a mess, but you know what? I don't care. I'm good. But I ain't do much of anything. I'm just like really tired right now. Can't go home to my damn bed and to some real people. I've been seeing a whole bunch of fake people since I left here. But like I said before, as long as I have my husband in my corner, that's all I need. One day guys, I'm gonna really tell you guys what's really going on and what's been bothering me. But I'm not ready to spill the beans yet. Welcome to Atlanta. I'm running mode. Never know me I look for it. Talking Atlanta. Home sweet home. Finally some sunshine and some warmth on the skin. no place like home.